Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by identifying exactly which joints are loose and why. This directs your fix. Once done, remove the part gently and check for broken pegs or worn polycaps, because repairs differ by cause. Use tweezers to separate halves and test fit without glue to confirm the failure point. Make sure to protect visible paint and stickers with masking tape before any adhesive work, and lay parts on a soft mat so small pieces won't roll away while you prepare tools. You now perform the core repair, reinforce or replace the failing connector. If the polycap is soft, add a 0.5 1mm shim like thin heat shrink or cut plastic to restore friction. This preserves articulation. For snapped pegs, drill a small 0.8 1mm alignment hole and insert a metal pin or epoxy resin rod because a pin joint is far stronger. Once aligned, apply a tiny amount of plastic cement or gel CA to bond. You finish by letting glues cure completely, then reassemble and gently cycle the joint through its full range to seat the repair. Make sure to sand or file any high-friction edges in small increments so you don't overloosen the connection. If a joint binds, use a tiny bit of silicone grease to smooth movement. If looseness returns after curing, replace the polycap entirely or fit a small 3D printed insert, because those provide a reliable, long-term fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.